Hey everybody, we're going for a very short local hike today at the Bad Branch Falls Nature Preserve. As you can see, the waterfall is about 1.2 miles in. It's a 60-foot waterfall, and how impressive it is just depends on how much rainfall we've had. Not been a whole lot this week, so it may not be too big today. We don't know how that's going to work out. It's a pretty easy hike. It's classified as moderate, but just about anybody could do it, as you'll see, so enjoy. So the trail, like I said, is 1.2 miles and it's pretty easy. They have it listed as moderate because it's a little bit of climbing in spots, but a lot of people will bring like young kids along with them on it, so it's pretty easy for just about anybody to do as long as you watch your step. They've built bridges over a lot of the places where years ago you had to actually cross the stream here and there, so that made it easier. So we do this trail pretty often. We'll do it every day. Sometimes after work we'll come and walk it just for kind of some easy exercise, or run it if we're really feeling up to it, so it's not too difficult. Today I'm hiking it in sandals because my hiking shoes I wore last weekend backpacking caused my toes to hurt and my toenails to turn purple, so I've been trying to give those a break so that my toenails don't fall off, so they're feeling much better. Still purple, but they're not hurting anymore, so hopefully that's almost over so we can do some longer hikes. The mountain here that goes to the High Rock Trail. That's a really beautiful overlook, but that's a very difficult hike. It's definitely probably not one, small kids would enjoy. So I'll stick to the Bad Branch Trail for that one and be a little more competitive to the High Rock one. We'll do that in a couple weeks when my toes are fully recovered and show you that. But if you continue on to the right here, that takes you to the waterfall, so we're not too far from there. And hopefully it's not too crowded. We can go for a swim when we get there, depending on how the water is, or at least get under the waterfall. So, and here's one of the many lovely rocks along the trail. You know, I like those. One of my favorite parts. There's a lot of black bears in the area, so that's something to watch out for on this trail. Also snakes, mostly black snakes, but I guess it could be possible to see like a copperhead or rattlesnake, I don't know. Seen a couple snakes this year, small ones, just like small black snakes, doing our walks up here during the day, but haven't ran across any bears, and hopefully we don't. So we are back in the car. We were not even in the woods for 2 hours, and that was with us walking at a slow pace, and we sat on the rock by the falls for several minutes and even took a quick plunge. Jeff's was a lot quicker than mine in the waterfall, and the cold water felt really good. That water is always cold no matter how hot it gets outside and how late into the year, into the summer you go, but it feels good still. So like I said, a quick easy hike that you could do with your family. You don't really need any supplies, no food or water, unless you just want to go enjoy yourself and have a picnic. And that is in Eola, Kentucky, which is in Letcher County. It's in the middle of nowhere, but if you're ever passing through and want to take a quick hike and see the waterfall, it's there.